Welcome to Kalpa's Khazana, and in this video we are going to make tandoori momos. Take 2 cups of chopped cabbage, half spoon salt. Mix it well and let it rest for 15 minutes. Now take a bowl and add 1 cup of maida. Mix it well by adding water. Knead the dough to make it soft. Spread 1 spoon oil and let it rest for 15 minutes. Now take the cabbage which we kept aside and squeeze the water. Now take a pan and add cabbage, chopped beans, and now add half spoon chilli powder, half spoon salt, and let it fry for 2 minutes. Now take a pan and add 2 spoons coriander seeds, 1 spoon jeera and 1 spoon sesame seeds, and 1 cup of dried red chillies, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. Now let them roast for 2 minutes. 1 spoon coconut powder and let it roast for 2 minutes in a simmer flame. Blend it into fine powder. Take the dough and make it into small pieces and roll them. Now by using maida, make it into small chapathis and place the stuffing which we made earlier. Now close the momos by using both the hands. And now they are ready to get fried. Heat the oil and drop momos into it. Turn them upside down and fry till light gold. Take a bowl and add 3 spoons of masala powder which we made earlier, a pinch of turmeric, half spoon salt, 3 spoons curd. Mix them and make it into a paste. Now add 1 spoon chickpea powder and there should be a thick consistency. Now add the fried momos. Mix them well. Now in a pan add 2 spoons of oil and add the momos into it. Toss them frequently so they are fried all the sides. And toss till they are brown. And your tandoori momos are ready to serve. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.